Hi friends, in this video let's unbox and review this i7s-TWS earphones. At the top of the box they have mentioned the brand name, picture of earpods and quick specifications. At the side they have mentioned the color options and nothing else. It has 5 colors and at the bottom they have mentioned the specifications in detail and the picture, and it says it is capable with both iPhone and Android. This is the box of the charging dock of the earpod. It has a power button and a micro USB charging port on it. Let's open this. Isn't this look similar to Apple's earpod? The comparison of this, and this is Apple's earpod. See, it looks quite similar to that, isn't it? This earpod has a charging port under it, and the speaker grill, indicator, and a multifunction light. To turn this, press this multifunction button and hold until the indicators turn on. Yes, now it's on. To connect, take your device, go to settings and Bluetooth. Find this in your device and just click on it. And now it's paired and connected. To pair both of these, just press and hold this multifunction button at the same time until it's turned on. As you can see, it's pairing now. And now it's paired. And every instruction will be given to you through the speaker. The audio quality of this is decent to this price point. Let me play music and just hear this. Isn't this loud? And you can stop and play your music through this button itself. Coming to the battery life, each earpod has 64 mAh and this dock has 950 mAh. A single earbud can last up to 5 to 6 hours, and with pair it can last up to 4 to 5 hours. The sound quality is decent enough to this price point, and I bought this at Club Factory shopping site, and I'll leave the link. And I bought this for about 529 rupees, around 530. Okay, that's it for this video. Let me meet you through another video real soon. Thank you, thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like and share this video. Bye bye.